Hello and welcome to Splash Boat Rentals located in beautiful Kingsland, Texas, right on the Colorado River. We offer miles and miles of waterways for you and your family to enjoy. We are a full-service boat rental company, which means we deliver and launch your boat or jet ski for you at any of the Highland lakes, including Inks, LBJ, Lake Buchanan, and Lake Marbles Fall. You can select from our largest and newest selection of boats on the Highland Lakes. Whether you're looking for a high-speed adventure or a casual day on the lake, we have what you need from jet skis, pontoon boats, and ski boats. Some even come with wakeboard towers. To reserve the best boat on the lake, simply stop by our office today or call for reservation. You can reach us directly during regular business hours at 325-388-5000. We're looking forward to talking to you very soon. Have a great day.